Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Naked Audio Tutorial. This is Yong from Sgaudiohive. Okay, so today we'll be going through on the teardown and the recable process of Zen Lite. This one actually it applies to all the series of the VE earbuds with the same shell, the newer smaller shell. Okay, so basically, if you have seen, I've opened up one side already. So the driver is exposed. You see the wiring, and this is the cinch lah. You may get this. I am unable to find a link for this, but I do have them in my possession. But you can find this in online and everything lah. Okay, so for the teardown, very simple. We just need something to hold the earbud. We need sharp penknife, and that's about it. Okay, so as you can see on the side, this is true for most of the earbuds. There's a part line, but for this model, it's actually it's like a unibody kind of design, but we can still find the part line. So we just go use a long blade, just slot into that part. Try not to cut any other place. Okay, just a bit will do, not too deep. We'll just do a slight pry motion. Just a pry, just to get some gap, to create a gap. The gap may be very small, but once you have the gap, you can use other tools to slot it in to pry it open. Okay, as you can see, the shell is opening up. So my preferred tool is always the fingernail, and we will get this. Okay, that's for the simple teardown process. So in order to change the cable, regardless is it a repair or is it a upgrade or something that you want to put in some wire that you like, so you need to buy your own cable. Okay, for example, if the earbud is damaged, like when you are twisting this part, like this portion, then the sound cuts in and out, you can just maybe cut a few cm off and strip and retin and resolder the points. It will be fixed. Okay, but in this case, we are actually going to change the cable. What cable can be used? Anything that has is about 2 millimeters in total thickness, because the back vent, the back hole, is not a vent. The back hole of the Zen Lite. This is the Zen Lite. It only accepts about 2.1, 0.2 millimeters. So anything that is like equal size is not gonna fit. Okay, I'll be taking about this one. We will need a soldering iron, and of course, whichever wire you would like to use. Okay. So basically, after you unsolder the wires, you cannot remove the shell because of the cable cinch. Okay, a few ways to remove it. You can just brute force, or you can just cut. I think brute force should be good enough. No, it's okay. You just cut it. You can cut either the cinch or the wire itself, whichever is easier for you, because we are not going to reuse this thing anymore. Okay, so I have a replacement cable here. You can just slot it in. It's a very simple process. Basically, just slot it in. And if you do have a cinch and the cable is not too big, just tie a knot like this. Just a simple knot, put it tight, and it will hold also. This is the strain relief. Okay, so if you want to use fancy wires, like all these fancy braided wires, DIY, you can do it also, as long as you make sure the front is sharp and flat. and it's able to go through. As long as this one you can pull it all the way through, which in this case it is possible. You can use all these kind of fancy wire as your recable. I'm not selling these wires yet, not ready. But today, yeah, just like that, it's a very simple process for you all to do your own DIY. Yeah, so in the next video, I'll be going through how to make an MMCX mod on this small shell earbuds.